Welcome to GMath tutorial. Now today consider question 1b. Here question 1 is attempt any 5 of the following. Now the second one is b. Show that f of x is equal to a raised to x plus a raised to minus x divided by 2 is an even function. That is, we want to prove f of x is an even function. In solution, we want to prove f of x is equal to f of minus x, then it is even function. Solution: first write given as it is, that is f of x is equal to a raised to x plus a raised to minus x divided by 2. Now replace x by minus x. In f of x, we get f of minus x is equal to a raised to minus x plus a raised to minus of minus x divided by 2. Then f of minus x becomes a raised to minus x plus a raised to x divided by 2 because minus minus becomes plus. Now we can rearrange the term as addition a plus b, we can write b plus a. Similarly here a raised to minus x plus a raised to x becomes a raised to x plus a raised to minus x divided by 2, and this is the f of x. Hence f of minus x is same as f of x, that is f of minus x is equal to f of x. Hence the given function f of x, a raised to x plus a raised to minus x divided by 2 is an even function. This is the required solution. Thank you for watching.